Breaking news coming in. Supreme Court appoints its former judge Madan B. Lokur as a one-man committee for monitoring the stubble burning in Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. The committee is going to be getting assistance from chief secretaries of all the states. That is a big breaking story coming in as Delhi is reeling under pollution yet again and the air quality continues to deteriorate. Going forward, it's going to get worse given the fact that we've seen this year after year in Delhi. The Supreme Court has now appointed its former judge Madan Lokur as a one-man committee for monitoring the stubble burning in Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. The committee is going to be getting assistance from all the chief secretaries of all the states. This is big. Anisha Mathur breaking the story first here on India Today is now joining us. Anisha, this is a much needed respite coming in from the Supreme Court. As far as Delhiites are concerned, year after year we face this problem in Delhi with the deteriorating levels of air pollution, and now the SC has appointed its former judge as a one-man committee for monitoring the stubble burning in the neighbouring states of Delhi.
Well, yes, it is very, very important since, remember, the Supreme Court has been asking for the last several years that the states should monitor, and this now that the Supreme Court has seen affidavits coming in from EPCA from the various states that the stubble burning is still going on. Now the court has appointed the retired Justice Madan Lokur as a one-man committee for physical monitoring of these states. Now remember, the Justice Lokur is going to be assisted not only by the chief secretaries of all three NCR states, but also the NCC cadets, NSS cadets and Bharat Scouts cadets have been roped in by the Supreme Court. There will be physical monitoring of stubble burning in Punjab, in Haryana and in Uttar Pradesh, and the court has asked for regular reports. So now, because all of these months, in fact particularly last year, we had the states coming back and saying that we don't have enough personnel for physical monitoring, that there are people who are still stubble burning and we're trying to control it. Now there is going to be monitoring by the court, by the judges committee.
So this is going to be court monitored now. The stubble burning in the neighbouring states of Delhi is now going to be court monitored. This is a big development coming in for all the residents of Delhi NCR. Thanks much, Anisha, for getting us those updates right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.